Should Palestine be free from the river to the sea? But first, a question. Who said the following? By the skillful and sustained use of propaganda, one can make a people see even heaven as hell or extremely wretched life as paradise. Propaganda is a crucial aspect in the Palestinian issue. Many people believe that there is a long history of Arab people in the land of Israel who identify as Palestinians. In reality, it is far from being the case. A surge in Arab migration coincided with the return of Jews to their homeland. The economic development led by the Jewish return attracted Arabs from neighboring regions seeking their portion of the new bounty. It was later, after the State of Israel was formed, that the talk of a national Palestinian identity began. But isn't it time to heal the rift between Jews and Palestinians, one might ask? Why not simply form a Palestinian state next to the Israeli state? Well, that exact idea was on the table numerous times, and each time the Palestinians rejected a two-state solution. Because in reality, the Palestinian agenda was never about a peaceful coexistence of two states, but their state of Palestine instead of the state of Israel. Total erasure of Israel off the map. This attitude can even be found in the Bible. When Nehemiah returned to Jerusalem to build the city and the temple, he faced ridicule from the people in the region. But when Sanballat the Horonite, the Tobiah the Ammonite servant, and Geshem the Arab heard of it, they jeered at us and despised us and said, "What is this thing that you are doing? Are you rebelling against the king?" Then I replied to them, "The God of heaven will make us prosper, and we, his servants, will arise and build. But you have no portion or right or claim in Jerusalem." Makes sense. Those who have no historic connection or mandate over the land cannot recognize those who legitimately do. So how did the big lie of Palestinian nationhood gain so much traction? Let's go back to the identity of the one who uttered our earlier quote. Does the name Adolf Hitler sound familiar? Propaganda and lies can actually reshape reality for masses of people. As we look around our world, we're left wondering whether in our postmodern society there's still a place for truth. Truth comes from God, and God affirms the Jewish people's connection to the land of Israel over and over again and again in the Bible. So the real issue is not which side we choose to believe, but rather, do we choose to believe God and His Word?